Hey guys, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we're going to be talking about diamond painting. This one's going to be another quick project. This diamond activity was purchased from CVS. I got it on sale during a holiday sale a while back. It was only like $2, $2 or $3 at most. It was marked all the way down. This is a box that you can hang or prop up or whatever. I will probably deconstruct this box and just use this in journaling and glue down this little image here. I'll probably just open the box and take off the back. It is a little bear and it says love, and this is the film over it. It looks like it's only numbers. The drill field is clear. I believe we have numbers 1 through 7 or 8 if I'm not mistaken. 1 through 8, so 8 is the back. Seems to be pretty sticky, so the 8s are all these pinks on the background. Usually when I'm doing quick projects, I only like partials, so ideally this would have been the only thing I diamond painted, but it looks like I'm going to be diamond painting the whole box. So there's that. The drills do come numbered. The drill baggies do come numbered, which is excellent. So I know that 8 here is 8 here. If I had any trouble seeing the color pink or noticing that this was pink, I could see that 8 matches 8, okay? And 7 matches 7. So I love when the baggies are numbered to match the drills. We only have 8 colors, which is great. The kit also did come with a boat, a stylus, and some wax. So I will most likely still be using my Diamond Art Club tray, and I will be using this twist and pick pen. I've just been using this for the small projects I've been working on this past week that I've been doing this, and I will be putting my leftover drills in my little Hobby Lobby containers here and stashing them away until I'm ready to combine them all into one little storage container, which I will show. Other tools I have are my brayer. I'm gonna roll this brayer across once I'm done with placing my drills on the canvas. And then I'm going to use my diamond painting glue from Hobby Lobby to seal the canvas. This was only $3.99, so I will dab the glue on the canvas to seal it. Other things I like to have on me are scissors, of course, to cut the little baggies and cut the baggies open, and I like to have my tweezers to get any excess wax from around the drills when I'm placing them. I like to have hand wipes as well, just in case I need to wipe my hands or get something on my hands. So I keep these little hand wipes. These are from Five Below, so I have these on my table while I'm diamond painting. This also came with instructions. You can see the key here, and it's telling you how to place the diamonds. So without further ado, let's get busy. Okay, y'all, so we are picking up. So this particular twist and pick pen comes with wax already in the barrel. This is the barrel if you're not familiar, and I just twist the barrel and the wax comes out. So there's wax at the tip here, and then I just pick up my gem with the wax at the tip here, and then I just place the gem on the canvas. The canvas is sticky as well, so that's all we're doing. Okay, and that's if you're unfamiliar with diamond painting. It's a very simple process. It's a very, therapeutic process. You can just clear your mind, let time pass, and you don't even know how much time has passed when you're working on a canvas that you really like. And there are multi-placers, like this is a multi-placer. I could use a multi-placer for this, but I'm not. I just like using my single placer. I haven't gotten super comfortable with multi-placers. I've used them before, and I always have to just straighten out my drills. I feel like it takes me more time to straighten out my drills when I'm using a multi-placer, and it's still taking as much time as it would have using a single placer, because I'm always trying to correct how the multiples are placed using the multi-placer. So to each his own, but I know people love multi-placers when they're doing bigger paintings, so I'm gonna keep going. All right, guys, so I've experienced something that I've heard other painters talk about, but I hadn't experienced it until this moment. I ran out of drills for the color number 1. They did not include enough drills for the color number 1. I am so glad that I had a ton of extra dark pink shiny jimmies from another kit. And I'm really glad that I hadn't combined all of my jimmies yet. I just had been storing them in these containers and stowing them away because I hadn't figured out how I wanted to use them yet. But for the first time, I ran out of drills from the pack that was in the kit. So this little CVS pack that was marked all the way down, it did not have enough pink drills. So thank goodness I had my own stash of the exact color of this dark pink from another kit. I think this might have been from like my Peeps kit that I had. Usually kits give you more than enough drills. I've up to this point, I've had drills, a lot of leftover drills from all of my kits. This was definitely a first. I was a little shocked, but I was like, okay, I got it covered. So I finished the heart. But yeah, the kit did not give me enough drills. I'm really curious now about the color number 8. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough drills. So this is the good part about not dumping all your drills together and leaving them separate so that you have extras. So we'll see, but I'm not really confident now that has happened. I finished him, y'all, but he gave me a very hard time. It's getting ready to go to bed soon, but not only were there not enough gems for the pinks or the reddish pink here, but the glue is like coming off of this canvas. It was scratching off pretty easily. So I will be sealing it after I wrap up this part of the video, but I was not that happy completing this one, but it was only like $2 and some change. So you get what you pay for. It turned out okay looking. I am gonna seal it. I am gonna put it in my project case and make a note of the date that I finished him and add him to the logbook, but he was not my favorite. He had a lot of issues. Anyway, go ahead and put some hearts in the comments if you made it to the end of the video, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next one.